Audi revealed the new Q3 Sportback, and here you can see the impressive lighting technology that this car has. The use of micro-LED technology produces significantly improved illumination and thus ensures very clear contrast on the road, particularly advantageous in difficult weather conditions. Along with the digital matrix LED modules, the digital daytime running lights with LED technology consisting of 23 segments per side make the vehicle easily recognizable on the road. The rear is adorned with optional digital OLED rear lights, complemented by a continuous LED light strip. A total of 36 different segments are divided into 6 digital OLED panels, which enable digital rear light signatures. The illuminated rings at the rear are particularly eye-catching. They are activated as soon as the low beams are switched on. The car will definitely be easily recognizable on the road, especially during the night, and I think this technology is very useful and also very cool. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it?